Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, December 28, 2021. The markets pushed higher all day yesterday. Today, they have gapped up. They tested a little bit higher before consolidating and rolling over. We're now trading down more near the lows of the session. We are below yesterday's closing price, and we've got mostly consolidation-like activity taking place today. We've got about 27.5 points of range in the S&P, so a little bit less than half of what we did yesterday. And what we're going to be looking at this afternoon is a follow-up on the study from this morning, the overbought reading, and we're going to be looking at adding some context around trading below the prior day's close going in to the final portion of the day. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments here. The setup we'll be using will be based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this morning we gapped up, so I'm going to add that by going to the opening filters, gap direction, clicking on gap up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the post-open filters. I'm going to add the context around the market trading lower than the prior day closing price at 3 p.m. So to do that, I've already selected 3 p.m. as the entry time, so now I just need to say that the 3 p.m. Price is below the prior day closing price, and that's going to be found in this category right here, intraday close versus daily levels. So I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit, hit equals for below prior close. Next, I'm going to go down to the indicators library. I'm going to say yesterday closed above the upper Bollinger Band. That's our overbought reading. I can grab that from the active today. I'm going to click on that. The next thing I'm going to click on is that we closed above a 10 and 200 as well. So we are in a strong bull market. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior session closed above its upper Bollinger Band and above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. The next day, it gaps up, but at 3 o'clock, it's trading below the close from the prior day, that close that was above the upper Bollinger Band. Historically, we've got 25 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003, so it doesn't happen all that often. The NASDAQ has 34 samples, 21 in the Dow, 37 in the Russell. The win rate on the S&P is very strong here, 76%. For the NASDAQ, it's not as strong, 59% or 57% in the Dow, and the Russell is the weakest at 54%. But they're all at least slightly favored here. If we look at the average moves, the average loss is larger than the average win in the S&P and in the NASDAQ. That is not the case for the Dow and the Russell. So we are mixed on the average moves. Which way has been bigger historically, but all four of them have at least slightly done better than 50-50, with S&P being the strongest here at almost or at 76%. So a little bit stronger pattern there. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.